Today I will show you how to change your engine oil using an oil extractor. It is much easier to do with the oil extractor because you don't have to get under the car or jack up your car. I bought this extractor from Amazon for around $80. I think in a way this is cheaper because when you change your oil from the dealer or any other shop, they will charge roughly around $100 for the labor charge alone. So once you have it, you can do the oil change forever, so it's worth the price. I usually warm up the engine for around 10 to 15 minutes so that the oil can move a little faster as the oil is warm. If you're doing it on a cold engine, the oil movement will be very slow and it takes much longer time. So I would suggest you to warm up the engine for 10 to 15 minutes. This is a 2016 Volkswagen Passat. The oil filter is placed on the top. While the oil is extracting, I am changing the oil filter. I am also keeping the oil cap open so that the air goes in and the oil movement will be a little faster. For this car you need an 32 mm socket to change the oil filter. I usually use oil from Motul or Liquimoli. Both are really good engine oils. Liquimoli is made in Germany and Motul is made in France. They are all high performance engine oil, and I can see a big difference compared to other engine oils that I have used. The engine sound is really slow. It's really much smoother also. So with the oil filter you will get a new O-ring and the filter itself. The old O-ring need to be changed, that's what they suggest. And when you put the new O-ring, you should spread a new oil on it so that it will avoid any oil leak from the oil filter. Place the new O-ring at its correct place at the bottom of the thread. I usually change oil every 5,000 miles. That's what they say. I mean, that will make your engine last longer. So I try to religiously follow that. When it's about to finish extracting the oil, it makes an airy sound, like it's pulling the bubbles as there is no oil left in the oil pan. So you can remove the tube, extracted tube, and you can put the new oil. I also put a little bit of oil on the threads of the oil filter. And then I install the new oil filter. There is a 25 Newton meter torque is required, so I set the 25, it to be exact it is 25.5 Newton meter. So I set the torque on the torque wrench and I tight it at 25.5 Newton meter. I also use an oil additive. It's called a hydraulic lifter additive. It is used to reduce the engine tappet noise or engine sound. It makes engine a little more run smoother. Also, they say that it clears or it cleans all the oil parts. So I use this oil additive from Liquimoli. All the Liquimoli products are really good. I can immediately see the changes in a positive way when I use their product. And then I dispose the extracted oil into the oil can and I recycle them. You can recycle them at some of the stores. I recycle them at O'Reilly, which is nearby to my house. So that way the old oil is disposed correctly. Once you put the new oil, make sure that the uh, oil level is correct in your dipstick. If needed, you may need to put some more oil. And that's it, you are done. So once it is done, I would run the engine for 5 minutes so that the oil is circulated all over. Yep, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much. You have a good day.